Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is a stainless steel kiosk made of SS304 stainless steel grade, which is non-rusting and very long life. This is very popular material used for pharma industries, for green zones, for food industries, uh, a lot of places, oil and gas, where stainless steel is a critical requirement. And you can see this is a very elegant and a very smooth finish, brush finish SS304 grade. This is if you look at our other videos in our channel, this is similar to our standard kiosk with a 21.5-inch interactive capacitive touchscreen and Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, SSD plus hard disk. So all those features are there. The only difference between this kiosk and say this standard kiosk is that this particular kiosk is made of stainless steel material, and all the hardware, fittings, screws, everything used in this kiosk is pure stainless steel, and it does not rust with time. In very moist conditions or salty conditions or green zone or food industries, you cannot afford to have even the slightest rust particles falling from the different machinery. So that's why this is a specific requirement from the customer. If I show you the back side, this is a very smooth finish. We have expertise in manufacturing stainless steel enclosures and kiosks. This particular kiosk comes with large wheels, bigger than 3 inch in height, and the front wheel comes with braking mechanism. So this is the brake, and if you do it like this, then you cannot move the kiosk. So if you like this stainless steel kiosk and if you like the content we produce, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.